In this video, I am going to share with you 5 of my favorite Chrome extensions that are helpful for developers, web developers, and designers. The first one is ColorZilla. ColorZilla is an extension that helps us, for example, if we see an appealing design on Behance, for example, like this design from Qubits, and I like, for example, this color they are using. By pointing the cursor over the area with the color, it will give me the exact hex color for this particular area. For example, if I love this kind of pink, I can do the same. It will give the color in RGB and in the hex code. And by clicking, it will copy the color in the clipboard. The second extension is Wapfont. Wapfont is doing the same but with the font. For example, I am over this website of Flutter from Google, and when I point the cursor over a text, it will show me the font used by this website. For example, in this example, it is Google Sans. Here the same, here it is Roboto, here also it is Roboto, and here it is Google Sans. So now we can, for example, try to use the same combination or inspire from it to do our work in web design or web development. The same here, for example, this is the official Apple website. If I want to see what font they are using, I click on the extension and I point the cursor on the text, and we see here SF ProText. It is the official font of Apple San Francisco. So this is the same as ColorZilla but for font. The third extension I am using a lot, it is Wappalyzer. Wappalyzer, for example, if I am visiting GitHub and I want to see what technology is used by this great website, Wappalyzer will show me, for example, many information about the technology they are using. For example, here I see the programming language is Ruby. For example, web framework is Ruby on Rails. It is Bootstrap, jQuery, and so on. Google Analytics, and so on. And it works like this with many websites. For example, let's check with Twitter. Here, this is my Twitter timeline. Here, Wappalyzer will show me that the programming language, it is Node.js, the web framework is Express, the JavaScript framework is React, and they are using Webpack. And it works this way with many other websites. The third extension is FireShot. FireShot, it is useful to have, for example, a full picture like of the website, like this one. This was a website of mine, a festival. For example, this is a website of mine. I made it previously, and if I want to get like a screenshot of the whole page, FireShot will give me that, capture entire page. It will now ask me if I want to save the image. somewhere. Let's name the folder FireShot, and let's name this medium, because I am on a medium screen. Medium FireShot for Brooklyn Festival. And now I can see the whole page in a picture, and I can work on my design, try to improve it, or try to work on it like it was just a web page. If I want, for example, to get a picture of it display on a mobile device, I click here. I will choose here the device that left it with Samsung Galaxy S5, and I will trigger the FireShot extension. It will do the same, and now I have a screenshot of the page from a mobile device. Let's see here, small or extra small screenshot. Extra small. And in the same way, now I am having a screenshot of my whole page, how it will look on a mobile device. And now I can judge my design or make a better view of it. The fifth extension is Chrome Dev Tools. This one, it is React Developer Tools. This one will display when we have a website using React technology, for example, like Facebook or Twitter, and it will help us debug and work with React under the Chrome browser. Here, for example, it will show us the props of this component and other helpful informations for when we are developing with the framework React. There is also other many helpful extensions like this one, Marinara. This one I use it like a Pomodoro tool. It will help us make my workflow in sprints. Sprints of for example, like here 25 minutes with breaks of 5 minutes. And there is also other extension. This was all for today. I hope this will help you, and if you are using other Chrome extension, please let us know in the comments, share this with us, and maybe we will talk about them in other video. If you liked this video, please support it by clicking the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in another video.